So, what is that white stuff in there? I don't know. Interesting. Okay, we'll find out. They gotta pull it out, change the condenser. Let's see what happens. I'm curious. So this is their installation. And that looks pretty damn tight. This is not normal. So do you see, I'm trying to move it in and out and I can't move it. I wonder if that's the aftermarket one. Now it's really tight. I definitely can't pull it out, so I think I'm not afraid of it blowing out. As long as they didn't do any damage to the O-rings when they were trying to force stuff it in there. I've come across some of these aftermarkets that are so damn tight. The guys force stuff them in there, trying to get it in there because it won't work. And so they force them in and they go in and out. And sometimes damage the O-rings trying to do that because they come in and out a few times. So let's see what the story on that one is.